How's it going, guys? I want to show you people my sales so far. I finally hit my first 10,000 a month. It took me about roughly 5 years or 6 years in the making just to hustle, find ways to make some money online. It wasn't easy. It's not like I did it in 30 days. I'm no fake guru or anything. Okay, so I don't actually have the footage on this phone. It's actually on my other phone. Okay, cool. So I have the footage right now. As you can see, hopefully that focuses. See that $14,000. Honestly, it wasn't easy. It was just something I was focusing on for about a year. I was doing different drop shipping like Amazon FBA. I tried that, didn't work. I failed. I tried Shopify, and I've always had WooCommerce. I've always had my own website. I just decided to really take that one very seriously. And I've always had a marketing agency. I have Olly's TV, which is my music company that I've started since 2019. Yeah, it's just something that I definitely really focused on, laser focus and trial and error. I did buy some courses here and there, but some gurus it just wasn't working for me. I had to take real online courses and actually hone my craft, learn digital marketing, and understand what it is to become very successful in the marketing game. How to create marketing plans, campaigns, how to use advertising, because advertising is very important for you when you are actually promoting your products online. What I do is press releases, campaign article writing, getting people featured on the news, on blogs. I got featured on the news, on blogs myself a couple of times. I did that all by myself. But my first few campaigns around 2020, I hired an agency company, but that agency company did me very dirty. So I just decided to take it upon myself and literally knock it out and just learn the craft myself. I took matters into my own hands, literally. So honestly, it wasn't easy. It was a really hard task, and there's nothing I can do from there. That's just the gist of it. But whenever anything comes up again, I'll keep informing you guys, and then you guys know what's going on today in my journey as an entrepreneur. And obviously I'm on my way to making 50,000 a month, but right now I'm currently sitting around 5 to 10k, and I made my first 10k in July 2025. So always remember that. All right, thank you very much. Take care, guys.